Hi my peeps, what's up? Good morning world. Please remember to like and subscribe for other awesome content coming your way. Alright guys, you know I'm a free spirit person and whatever comes to my mind and however I want to look, I just do it. Alright guys, so look at me, all natural today. Yes, my hair is growing. Yeah. And guys, recently I decided not to do any more colors over my eyes. I might just do my brows and put on a little foundation and a little blush. I want to stay as natural as possible. All right guys, I feel I am a Christian and I'm a believer of faith and of God, and I don't want to put on the false lashes anymore or the things over my eyes, but I can put on a little makeup, natural beat, and stay beautiful. So that's my new life. It was my life, it's just that I had changed. So I'm gonna give away all my my palettes and all the fandangles. I'm gonna keep it simple and real. All right, true to myself and my calling. All right, so guys, let's get into this video. You're gonna be shocked. All right guys, so now you can't even see me not do no hair or nothing. This is nothing but prettying up. This is a life-changing hack. All right guys, and this is to do with face mask. All right, this is my N95 surgical face mask. All right, you know, if you put it on already, you hold it like this, they put one strap, then you put one supposed to be here, one supposed to be at your neck, and then you squeeze this in for protection. That's one. All right, and this one I got from my work when they were trying it out to make sure it fits your face. This one is also, it's reusable, and this one is an N95 upside down. Yeah, N95. all right, you fit it on and it cups right over. The reason being this part is off because I took the metal part off. All right, and this is just a regular surgical mask. All right, and it has a piece of bone or wire. Now the hack to this guys, so from this N95 mask I removed the piece of bone or metal. It actually is metal in this one, in the N95 they're metal. So I removed that piece, and this is it guys. I didn't skin it off, I leave the little piece of coating on it, like the little piece of, can you see that? If you can see it up close guys, I sew it right around. So you want to sew it right around, right around, right around, right around, right around. All right, and then I bend it to my nose. You can open it, you can make it straight. Can you see that goodness guys? You can make it straight and then you can bend it and put it on to fit your nose. How good is that? So basically your reusable mask become super protective. All right, and also another hack I did with my mask, sometimes you buy reusable face mask and they make it not to fit your ear or your face. You want to go ahead and remove the straps and you can make it smaller so it can fit your face. So that's what I did with this one. All right, so I'm gonna put it on. Let me fix it right. So you put it one ear, hold it like this, put it to another ear, make sure it's snug. Can you see how snug it is guys? That's it, because I shortened the straps so it's not too loose. Okay, so now it's snug. Look at that goodness guys. You're gonna take your finger, once it's in place, take your finger and squeeze at the side of your nose, and then you're gonna press out this flat part right here. Guys, can you see this? This is history. Look at that guys. This is history. This is a new revolution into face mask, reusable face mask guys. You need a scissors, needle and thread. I didn't even have black, I used dark blue. and you need your mask, N95 or your regular surgical mask. All right. All right, guys. So that's that. I'm super excited. I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited because I was worried about wearing a reusable homemade mask, so to speak, because I know, you know, you can't have any protection up here. So this is a life-changing hack. This will save lives, many lives. All right, just be careful. And I want to show you one more before I talk about how to wash it. Basically, this one, regular surgical mask, I cut this part off and I made this one. This one is more flexible, but it still works. All right, it still works. And there you have it. I sew it the same way because the strap was too long. I'll try this one on as well and show you. So basically, guys, you want to punch right alongside your nose, and you're gonna do it the same way. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? I cut piece off and sew it, guys, because it was too long down here, so I cut it off. And that's it, guys. Life-changing hack. Oh, with your reusable cloth homemade face mask. All right, guys. Also, if you don't know how to sew, guys, you can also glue it. But when you glue it, maybe when you wash it, the glue will come off. So it's best to sew it. All right. And you can do it like this on the outside. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna rip this piece of metal off, and then you're gonna glue it on this part. Wash them in the machine. They're safe to use in the machine, guys. You just wash them on maybe delicate or something like that, and then you can go ahead and dry them just the same. All right, guys, that's it. Or you can hand wash them and hang them. It's up to you, once you wash them in good soap and water. I can't believe I came up with this idea. I was talking to my husband and he said, wow. But I didn't video it, guys. But I said, you know what? Sometimes it's good to just talk. And once you talk, somebody else will do it. All right, guys? So this is my reusable DIY face mask hack. All right? And one more thing before I leave, guys. I did a video on this already. You can check it out. I will leave the link below. How to check your homemade mask properly. So you want to get some matches and you want to put this on. You want to light the match and you want to blow. If you have this on, guys, and you can blow the matchstick out, this is not good. You need a liner or something else in it. All right. Once you blow it out, that means air is coming in too freely. All right. It's not safe. So once you do all of this, you put the matchstick here and you blow it out. Don't use it or put another liner or lining in it. All right. But once you and it can't blow out, it's safe to use. All right, guys. I will leave a link to that video down below. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna party. I'm gonna party. I'm gonna party. All right, guys. See you later. Mwah. Stay safe and stay blessed, and God is good.